Hello guys, now we will discuss very important points regarding interview, effective interview. For an effective interview, one must know how to interview. So these are the tips for the interviewer. There are certain factors that ruin the usefulness of interviews. Interview errors, interviewer behavior, non-verbal behavior, impression management, effect of personal characteristics, candidate order, misunderstanding the job, and snap judgment. These are basically some key points which are given due importance from interviewer point of view. We will see them one by one. Snap judgment. Interviewers tend to jump to conclusions about candidates during the first few minutes of the interview. So that's also saying that interviewer panel normally judges a person within the first 30 seconds. Most of the time this is true, but this is not, in my opinion, it's not appropriate. The interviewer should consider all the aspects of the interviewee to make a decision regarding the interview. The other point is misunderstanding the job. Interviewers who don't have an accurate picture of what the job entails and what sort of candidate is best suited for it usually make their decisions based on incorrect impressions. So the person's personality and his physique should match the job. Candidate order, contrast error. The order in which the interviewer sees applicants affect how they rate them. Non-verbal behavior. Interviewers draw inferences about the applicant's personality based on applicant's behavior during the interview. Impression management. Getting others to see us in a certain manner. Here candidates attempt to control or manipulate the reactions of interviewers to images of themselves or their ideas. Effect of personal characteristics. Interviewers tend to distort their assessment when they focus on their attractiveness and gender. Interviewer behavior. Interviewers' behavior affects the interviewee's performance and rating. Some interviewers talk so much that applicants have no time to answer questions, while some let the applicant dominate, etc. Snap judgment. It is a saying that don't judge a book by its cover. So judging a person from his face would be incorrect choice, would lead to incorrect choice. Non-verbal behavior. Effect of personal characteristics like experience, education, skills, and coolness. Misunderstanding the job. When the interviewer does not know what type of the person is best suited for the job. So now we will discuss the guidelines for the interviews. Preparation is essential, that one has to prepare well for the interview. So the most important things are learn about the employer, go to their website, learn about them, what are their recent projects, for what purpose the job has been opened, for which you are applying. You should know the reason, and you should know about the employer a lot. Also you can talk to someone who is already employed in that company. He can give you better information, and moreover from negotiation point of view and for getting a certain position, a certain rank, you should definitely talk to someone who is already employed, who can guide you how to negotiate well and get better salary and better position in the company according to your experience and qualification. Further, you should learn about the job for which you are applying, the job description and the job responsibilities which have been stated in the advertisement, and about the people, that what type of people are there, is there diversity there, or is there a common type of people there, or one group of people there. And the other thing is competition and the employer's problems, that what are his normally problems. Uncover the interviewer's real needs. There is a funny saying that I didn't get the job. Apparently, they are looking for an accountant with no personality. So, Determine what type of the person the employer is looking for. Another important point is relate yourself to the interviewer's needs. For this job we need someone who is responsible, and the lady says that I'm the one you want. On my last job, every time something went wrong, they said I was responsible. So that's a funny thing. Think before answering. Emphasize how hiring will help the interviewer solve his or her problem. Just imagine you are on the 8th floor, it caught fire, how will you escape? Now the candidate replies, it's very simple, I will stop my imagination. So do not make so much humor with the interview, that's very important. Remember, appearance and enthusiasm are important. Your appearance should be professional, and you should show enthusiasm and motivation, because it's one of the key point in three main pillars, that is the technical skills, number 2 is the cultural fit, and number 3 is the motivation. So if you lack the motivation or enthusiasm, the chances of your hiring are very low. Now the appearance during the interview, your haircut should be proper, clean shave, warm smile, feel of confidence, formal dressing, firm handshake, correct body posture. And for females, should dress up according to their culture. Make a good first impression, appropriate clothing, good grooming, firm handshake, readiness to smile, eye contact, display of sound ideas. So these are important things to consider and remember. Your non-verbal behavior should broadcast more about you than the verbal content. So since I explained earlier that most of the time interviewer is also judging you from your non-verbal behavior, so if you are not so much carry about your non-verbal behavior, you should care about it, that they may judge you from your non-verbal behavior, despite you have the skills, all the talents for the interview, and you are the perfect fit for the job. But if your non-verbal behavior is not appropriate, then they might not hire you. So be very cautious of your non-verbal behavior. So hope these guidelines will help you regarding your interview, and best of luck for your next job interview. Thank you very much.